Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your garbage disposal suddenly stopped working, don't worry because this is one of the most common kitchen appliance problems homeowners encounter. A garbage disposal may stop operating because of a power interruption, an internal jam, or a tripped reset button. Fortunately, a non-working garbage disposal doesn't necessarily mean the unit has failed completely. In many cases, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help restore normal operation without needing professional repairs. Before replacing the appliance, it's worth checking several common causes. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy methods that may help fix a garbage disposal that is not working. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the garbage disposal is receiving electrical power. Step 2. Inspect the circuit breaker connected to the garbage disposal if there is no response. Step 3. Press the reset button located underneath the garbage disposal. Step 4. Check the garbage disposal for a blockage or jam that may prevent movement. Step 5. Restore power and test the garbage disposal for normal operation. Step 6. Verify that the garbage disposal runs smoothly and processes waste correctly.